Hello, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Today, we embark on an exciting journey into the depths of the beauty world. We'll be unraveling the secrets behind models' skincare routines and sharing these secrets with you. Each step we explore promises to inspire us on the path to radiant skin. If you're ready, let's dive in. One step, cleansing. The foundation of skincare lies in starting with a clean slate. At the end of the day, cleansing the skin is a step models often prioritize to rid themselves of makeup and environmental pollutants. This not only refreshes the skin, but also enhances the effectiveness of other skincare products. 2. Step, hydration. Hydration is the key to maintaining youthful and healthy skin. Models frequently indulge in intense moisturizing masks to deeply nourish their skin. You too can revitalize your skin by regularly applying hydrating masks, preserving the skin's moisture balance. 3. Step, serums and oils. Another crucial step commonly seen in models' skincare routines involves serums and natural oils. These products nourish and rejuvenate the skin, especially serums rich in antioxidants. Protect the skin against environmental factors, providing a healthy and youthful appearance. 4. Step, sun protection. Shielding the skin from the harmful rays of the sun is paramount in achieving the radiant skin models boast. Daily use of high-factor sunscreens safeguards your skin from the adverse effects of the sun, keeping it free from spots and wrinkles. 5. Step, internal care. Remember, beauty isn't only skin deep. Models also prioritize their internal well-being, healthy nutrition, adequate water intake, and regular exercise are key to improving your overall skin health. And there you have it. Integrating the 5 fundamental steps inspired by models' beauty secrets into our daily routine. Since every skin is unique, it's crucial to find products tailored to your specific needs. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Until the next video, may beauty and health be with you.